Hi, Thomas Löving here from Prophon Sound Systems at the Prolight Sound trade show 2016. I want to show you the new compact stage monitor MX8. It's a very small, compact, lightweight stage monitor with an 8-inch, 1-inch neodymium coaxial speaker inside with a dispersion pattern of 100 degrees. What's unique with this monitor is that it has a very steep monitor angle of only 15 degrees, enabling for very close monitor angling, so you can actually stand right in front of the monitor and have the sound in your face. And that's very popular for small stages, both live performances and speech, conference centers, theaters, churches, stuff like that. The components is it's a 500 watt continuous program power handling with very high sensitivity and full frequency response. In the handles they've hidden a speak-on, and there is also a speak-on through out there for connecting several systems. For more information, visit prophon.com.